Welcome back to Karog 765, the channel where we explore the coolest classic rides, legendary vans, and timeless automotive history from around the world. If you love vintage vehicles, road trip culture, and unique American classics, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community for more amazing content every week. Today we are diving into one of the most iconic vans ever created, the 1975 Volkswagen Van Life machine. This classic VW van is more than just a vehicle. It became a symbol of freedom, adventure, peace, and the dream of living life on the open road. Even decades later, people across the United States still love these vintage Volkswagen vans because they represent a simple lifestyle filled with travel, memories, and endless exploration. The 1975 Volkswagen van, often called the VW Bus or Type 2, had a design unlike anything else on the road. At first glance, you immediately notice its boxy shape, huge windows, short front end, and unmistakable vintage charm. This van looked friendly and welcoming, almost like it had its own personality. The rounded headlights, simple grille, and compact size made it instantly recognizable. Whether parked near a beach, deep in the mountains, or cruising through California highways, the 1975 VW van always attracted attention. One of the biggest reasons people fell in love with this van was its connection to the van life culture. Long before social media made van life famous, Volkswagen owners were already turning these vans into tiny homes on wheels. Many versions included foldable beds, small kitchen setups, cabinets, curtains, and even pop-up roofs for extra sleeping space. It gave travelers the ability to live freely while exploring nature, national parks, and small towns across America. Inside the 1975 VW van, the cabin was simple but incredibly functional. The dashboard had a clean and minimal design with easy-to-read gauges and basic controls. The large windshield gave drivers an amazing view of the road ahead, making every journey feel open and exciting. The seating position was unique because you sat almost above the front wheels, creating a completely different driving experience compared to modern vehicles. The interior space was surprisingly roomy for such a compact van. Families, surfers, campers, musicians, and adventurers all found creative ways to use the space. Some owners transformed their vans into full camper homes with colorful decorations and retro furniture. Others kept them original to preserve their classic Volkswagen heritage. No matter how the van was customized, it always felt cozy and full of character. Under the rear of the van sat the famous air-cooled Volkswagen engine. The 1975 model usually came with a flat-4 engine that focused more on reliability and simplicity rather than speed. This van was never built for racing or aggressive driving. Instead, it was designed for relaxed cruising and enjoying the journey. Drivers learned to slow down, enjoy the scenery, and appreciate the experience of traveling rather than rushing to the destination. The sound of the air-cooled engine became one of the most memorable parts of owning a VW van. It produced a unique humming noise that classic car fans still adore today. Maintenance was also relatively simple compared to many other vehicles of the era, which helped create a strong community of Volkswagen enthusiasts who loved repairing and restoring these vans themselves. Driving a 1975 Volkswagen van today feels like stepping back into a different era. Modern vehicles may offer more speed, luxury, and technology, but few cars can match the personality and emotional connection of this classic VW. Every scratch, every sticker, and every mile tells a story. Owners often form deep attachments to their vans because they become part of unforgettable adventures and lifelong memories. In the United States, the 1975 VW van remains extremely popular among collectors and van life enthusiasts. You can still find them at classic car shows, beach gatherings, camping festivals, and cross-country road trips. Restored examples have become highly valuable because demand continues to grow every year. Many younger generations are also discovering these vans for the first time and falling in love with their timeless style. One of the most amazing things about the 1975 Volkswagen van is how it brings people together. VW owners often wave to each other on the road, share repair tips, and gather at special events dedicated to classic buses. It created a worldwide community built around friendship, travel, and adventure. The van also became deeply connected with freedom and creativity. During the 1970s, many people decorated their vans with colorful paint, peace signs, flowers, and custom artwork. It represented individuality and the idea of escaping everyday stress to experience life differently. Even now, seeing a classic VW van parked near the ocean instantly creates a feeling of nostalgia and wanderlust. While the van may not be fast by modern standards, it offers something far more valuable. It gives drivers a chance to slow down and enjoy every mile of the journey. Whether camping under the stars, driving along coastal highways, or exploring hidden back roads, the 1975 VW van transforms ordinary trips into unforgettable adventures. For many people, owning a classic Volkswagen van is not just about transportation. It is about lifestyle, memories, freedom, and passion. These vans continue to inspire travelers, photographers, filmmakers, and dreamers all over the world. Their charm never fades, and their legacy continues to grow with every passing generation. Thank you for watching today's video here on at Carog 765. If you enjoyed this journey into the legendary 1975 Volkswagen van life culture, make sure to like this video, leave a comment about your dream road trip destination, and subscribe to the channel for more classic vehicle stories, vintage vans, and automotive legends from around the world. See you in the next video.